sent you here to kill me?
Honestly, 2025 was a massive year for TV. When we say big, we don't just mean great stories and acting. We are talking about award-winning Netflix server crashing levels of big. We saw Adolescence, the final season of Stranger Things, The Pitt, and so much more. Now that 2026 is right around the corner, we are breaking down the most anticipated series hitting your screens this January. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 11. Number 10. A Knight of the Seven Kingdoms.
Duncan the Tall.
You a knight?
Hedge knight, ain't it?
What?
It's like a knight, but sadder.
Arian. Targaryens. They're incestuous aliens and tyrants.
Mark your calendar for January 18, 2026 because the next must-watch chapter in the Game of Thrones universe, A Knight of the Seven Kingdoms, is officially coming to HBO.
Right, yeah.
Based on George R.R. Martin's popular Tales of Duncan Egg novellas, the series is moving away from the typical political wars of the original show and the dragon-heavy spectacle of House of the Dragon in favor of a more intimate, character-driven adventure. The show takes place roughly 100 years before Game of Thrones and about 70 years after House of the Dragon in the Westeros.
But with honor. And I swore that I would.
Call myself a champion. Some great house might take me into its service. Incestuous aliens and tyrants.
Sir Duncan the Tall.
We will follow a good-hearted knight named Dunk and his mysterious partner Egg. Dunk is just trying to find his way as a hedge knight, but things get really complicated when they accidentally cross paths with the powerful Targaryen family. With this show, we can expect a mix of medieval action and lighter, more hopeful tone than the previous show. Number 9. Wonder Man.
We are going to make the last movie on Earth.
News from Kobe.
There is news you'll be the first to know, unless you call me again, in which case I will never tell you.
Disney Plus confirmed a historic being released for Marvel Studios' next show, The Wonder Man. It is a fresh take on the superhero villain genre that feels more like a Hollywood satire than a typical action show. We will see Simon Williams, a struggling actor and stuntman in Los Angeles who is just trying to land his big break. In a funny twist, he auditions to play a superhero named Wonder Man in a movie only to end up gaining actual superpowers like incredible strength and speed. From there, it is all about comedy and action.
Simon Williams, reading for Wonder Man.
Man. The breakdown is go method.
The Wonder Man will also break new ground with its specific release strategy. As confirmed, it will debut with all 8 episodes streaming on January 27, 2026, making it perfect for a binge watch. Number 8. Agatha Christie's Seven Dials. Agatha Christie's Seven Dials is one to put on your watch list. This upcoming Netflix limited series is set to premiere on January 15, 2026. The show is fresh adaptation of Christie's 1929 novel, The Seven Dials Mystery, and it's being brought to life by Chris Chibnall, the creator of the hit series Broader. Set in 1925 England, the story kicks off at a lavish country house party. A group of young friends decide to play a light-hearted practical joke on a guest known for oversleeping by hiding 8 alarm clocks in his room. However, the prank takes a dark turn when one of the guests is found dead and 1 out of 8 alarm clocks goes missing. With stars like Helena Bonham Carter and Martin Freeman joining the cast, you can expect plenty of sharp dialogue and classic detective thriller tension. It is the perfect binge watch for anyone who loves a stylish vintage mystery with a modern twist. Number 7. The Beauty.
Any old face, drop, dead, gorgeous, and everybody.
Imagine a world where becoming physically flawless is as easy as catching a cold. That is the world premiere of The Beauty, created by Ryan Murphy and Matt Hodgson. The plot really kicks off when supermodels start dying in horrific ways, pushing FBI agents played by Evan Peters and Rebecca Hall to investigate a global conspiracy. A fevered bombshell ready to explode one shot. In the story sounds familiar, it is because it is very similar to 2024's body horror hit movie The Substance, set to release on January 21st, 2026 and streaming globally on Disney+. Number 6. The Pitt Season 2.
You're a very empathetic soul. But this is the ED. It's not for the faint of heart.
What do you need to get some basics? Clear! We all need help from time to time. Even the occasional miracle.
The fifth season 2 arrives on HBO Max on January 8, 2026, continuing the Emmy-winning medical drama's intense real-time storytelling. The new season takes on a 10-month time jump, throwing us right into the middle of chaotic 4th of July weekend. While the beautiful fireworks go off aside, the real explosions are happening inside the ER. The story begins over another intense real-time 15-hour shift, but this time the stakes are personal. We will see Dr. Langton attempting a rocky comeback on his first day back from rehab while Dr. Robbie takes a much needed break. With the hospital digital system failing and the staff forced to rely on old school medicine, the tension is higher than ever. The Pitt season 2 is going to be a pulse-pounding return to Pittsburgh's busiest emergency room. Number 5. Steel.
I don't want to tell you where I am. I want to be alone.
Get ready to experience a high-octane thriller about the heist of the century with Steel on Prime Video. Set to premiere on January 21st, 2026. This 6-episode British series will focus on Jara, played by Sophie Turner, an ordinary person working at a pension fund investment fund called Lockmill Capital. Her routine life is shattered when a violent gang of thieves storms the office to pull off a multi-billion-pound heist targeting everyday people's pensions. It all gets intense when Jar and her best friend Luke are forced by the criminal to help them get the money. While the heist is going on, a detective named DCI Ree is on their tail, testing her limits while battling with his own past mistakes. With super tense hostage drama and smart detective work, the Steel keeps the pressure high octane from start to finish. Number 5. Memory of a Killer.
My mind, it hasn't been right. I'm afraid.
Memory of a Killer is an upcoming action thriller television series scheduled to premiere on Fox on January 25, 2026. The show stars Patrick Dempsey and is based on the 2003 novel Belgian film Take Alzheimer. The series follows Angelo Lia, played as Patrick Dempsey, a man living a secretive double life. To his neighbors, he is just a quiet salesman in a small town. But in reality, he is a legendary hitman in New York City. The story takes a dark turn when he is diagnosed with Alzheimer and his memory begins to fade. Realizing he can no longer keep his two worlds apart, he went right towards him. The plot picks up speed when Dempsey discovers his wife's death might not have been an accident. With his mind slipping every moment, he goes on a race against time to protect his pregnant daughter from the very criminals he once worked with. The Memory of a Killer is the perfect story about a man trying to find his conscience while he literally loses his past. Number 3. 1000 Blows Season 2.
America, you always have something in the works.
I'm bringing the 40 elephants back together again. We will know.
If you loved detaching the first round of 1000 Blows on Disney+, get ready because Season 2 is taking the ride to the whole new level on January 19, 2026. Created by Stephen Knight, the same visionary behind Peaky Blinders, 1000 Blows is a dark British historical drama set in the violent underworld at 1990s London. It follows the illegal bare-knuckle boxing and the 40 Elephant, a real-life notorious all-female crime syndicate.